Boleh vibro session 4 te kiton kikam ki Laitkam Basin Tylli post apply lingba ka Meghalaya Basin Development Authority MBDA yang ne page mentai kan notification the Meghalaya Basin Development Authority MBDA on behalf of the Planning Department Government of Meghalaya under MeghEA shall invite online application for the following position from eligible candidate to fill up the following position on contractual basis baru ke contractual basis for a period of 1 year. The detailed information regarding application form, link, replacement, notification are available on MBDA website. Kita dan lihat ke website minta detail baru www.mbda.gov.in. Yang ni minta post kibalai ke position kebanikong kedai application support engineer qualification pilawan dari graduate lane postgraduate in BTech lane BE in computer science lane electric and communication engineering or IT related branch. Pilawan dari graduate ne postgraduate pilawan apply. Experience minimum 3 years of experience in their relevant field. License name. Essential skill system administration, user supports and training, application testing, coordinate with the content developer for content creation, coordinate with the system integrator of all issues relating to the system. Kawakan sini untuk kawai ke place of hosting dari Shillong atau lokal live hajar arspa. Tanam tak content developer kan nero ke post kedan tang kawai. Qualification dari graduate or postgraduate in English in mass media lane mass communication, journalism, filmmaking and photography. Experience kan nero 3 years experience. Essential skill good and verbal communication skill, creative acumen with working knowledge of photography, video development, editing, report writing, MS Office, proficiency in content creation for digital application videos, develop training material such as user manual, videos, presentation, extra for the application. Kemudian kita akan post keterlaluan long live way, hajar aspa sibenai. And application support assistant. Kemudian kita santali ki post kibalan. Kanero kare Shillong hi katulop pada kare 8,000 sibanai. Qualification dia melang graduate lane postgraduate in BTech lane BE in computer science lane electronic and communication engineering or IT related branches. Kanebra dan kamtang she's name experience minimum 1 year of experience in the relevant field. Essential skill system administration, user support, training, application testing, coordinate with the content developer or content creation. Coordinate with system integrator on all issues relating to the system. Essential skill for the position to ada batai skill kiberan kam nam tak position age kadai substance name age limit up to 45 years. Place of posting ada mention hang tu kadai Shillong berolai santli kadai Shillong. Remuneration ada batai hang tu house rent allowance and mobile allowance will be included additionally as may be additional from time to time. Tickets ayaka house rent allowance ne kampat ka mobile allowance. Duration of contract and the she's name for a period of 1 year. It's a renew biang. Te katkum ka jinon kam. And how to apply kumno ban apply bde ban apply kane ka don ne ka Google form link kan mau kane sabura per description ne fill up an your na poka official website. Jong kane ka MBDA hi. Kane ka form ka link application should submitted through online mode only. Tang online me amdon rege phap submit bilang baka Google form. Te fill up an your kane ka link ro link hapoh website mbda.gov.in. Sekan mau ke bakwa ban apply nam tak ini post. Incomplete application shall not be entertained. Last date of receipt of application kan day arfoiterik jongu panai Agust kan negeri ke last date arfoiterik Agust arja arsau. Tiki bakwa apply no. An application after the last date will not be considered. Selection process kini tamdon kam ban batai phaban pulehi ke bakwa ban apply tegen sa puli bhai kini kijing batai nam tagine cover letter on candidate suitability and interest in position maximum 500 word is mandatory for the position application 500 words haven't tha. There will be written assignment and personal interview for the position kandan ka written test bat ka personal interview tikiba don ka qualification nam takane tes apply online kandan ka Google form ekane ka link ngurung asapo bu description ala bikwa banyo jing tip khamne pilawan page hapoh ka official website mbda.gov.in. Tangini jing tip creation